are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, overhead console, cargo mat, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.